Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, New Zealand is a very popular destination when it comes to study, work, immigration, and lot of students from around the world go to New Zealand and they study and then they do work and they even settle down over there. So in this video I'm going to show you some steps how to apply post-study work visa. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. My intention is to just to show you how to use the service. So guys, so in front of you I have opened official New Zealand immigration site and you have the option post-study work visa. So here if you scroll down you have the option to apply now. I assume that you already you have gone through like all the detailed criteria. Okay, so you need to make sure you need to have held or had applied for a student visa qualification before 11 May 20 to be eligible for this visa. If you apply after, you may be eligible on a new post-study work visa instruction. Okay, let's see. Click on apply now. So you have this option login or create account, so I click it. Now this is going to open the official immigration New Zealand immigration site where you can login site where you need to log in. Okay, so I'm gonna enter the details and log in. So here is the account. So you have the option of create a new application, so I click on work visa. First question, are you applying for these type of work visas? Let's see what are the options we have. Post study work visa open. Yes. Do you have a MasterCard? Yes. That is why we are applying online, right? MasterCard Visa Union Pay. Are you Australian permanent? No. Start application. Okay. With New Zealand, it always happens that when you fill the form, give it a few seconds. Oh, still, because it is still loading. This I have seen with New Zealand. Oh, now it has gone through. So, if we see what are the things we have. First, contact details, work details, health details, character, work history, qualification, other contacts, applying, upload, declaration, payment. So this is the first screen where you need to provide your personalized information. These are very basic things like your name, date of birth, country, other passport details, your status, contact details. So I'm just going to put some sample, and at the bottom you have few things like postal address, same as your residential address. If you select no, there will be more fields for you. If you are doing part of a group, then you need to select yes, but if not, select no. And at the end you need to check on this I agree, and then you can go to the next stage. So, and you can always save it for later and come back and do, but this is how you do. So I'm going to put some sample values. Thanks for holding. One more thing guys, because it's like post study visa we are applying, so that means definitely you have applied for the study visa. So have you previously applied for a visa for New Zealand? I selected yes. Client number is not mandatory, but you can consider it same as UCI, unique client identifier, that we do for Canada. Sounds familiar? Provide your current residential address. Okay, now I'm gonna still put some random values here. So once you are through the page, click on continue. Now it's coming what are the things you are applying. So for the purpose of this sample video, let's select this. I select no. How long you are planning to stay? So I'm putting let's say 3 years for what we are applying. Now it is asking health information. Be very careful while answering, because they can always ask you to go for a health check. I'm just putting some sample. Children medical certificate. Okay. So basically for New Zealand it seems the medical is valid for 36 months, 3 years. Good. For Australia, Canada, we see this one. The following. General. I'm just doing this sample. Okay, next is character details. Have you been convicted of any crime, removed, deported, you currently under investigation, being refused visa more than 5 years, country for more than 5 years, not including your current citizenship. I select no. Because we selected India in the previous question, it again came like this, so I select yes. With the last 24 months, I select yes. Continue. But be careful, and with your days calculations, be very careful. Work history. Are you currently working? No. Whatever is your case. Working, you work. If you are currently working, provide details of current work. If you are retired, last paid work. All previous work that you have done. So like you need to provide all the information. It is very clear, but because the sample video, I'm just clicking on continue. Let's see the system allows me, or I still need to put any random values here. Not bad, it allowed me. Fine. Qualifications you hold. Okay. So you need to provide the information. For additional qualification, click on this and provide, because this is a sample video, so none of the fields are mandatory, so I'm just skipping, but make sure you provide, because they are gonna evaluate based on that, and it never hide any information. Provide the correct information to them. Do you have any contacts in New Zealand? I select no, but if you have, definitely do, because that they may contact them to establish your application and your identity, etc. That will definitely help you. Are you applying on behalf of someone? I select no, but if yes, provide the information. Yeah, again. Have you received advice assistance related to application? I select no. Whatever is applicable. Okay, so now I have gone to the document section. So I think I have made something over here. I will not go for a declaration payment because sample video, but I was able to walk you through the whole process where you need to provide answer based on your situation and not what is shown in this sample videos, because a lot of sections I just skipped because I wanted to make it simple. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you're going to like it. Please subscribe to the channel.